Now we have a product table. Okay, now let's close it and wait for a minute. It will load all the queries and it will reflect all the tables here. Now we have left one table, a supplier table. Now we want this data in a file. We can just select and copy it. Move to the Power Table, Power BI. Here, if you want to insert a table manually, you can select Enter Data in Home tab, select it, and just select Paste. Now data is copied here. Click on Load. Now if you can see our category product. Okay, we have not assigned a table name. That's the reason it's showing us a table. If you want to change it, go to the edit query, select the table. We want a table name as the supplier, and copy it, assign a name, press enter, close and apply. Now if you can see, data is extracted. Now again move to the edit and Power Query. We have seen an append query, how to use append query. Now I'll explain how to use a merge query. Now if you can see, in our product table, we have two IDs, category ID and supplier ID. In first category ID, we have a category table which contains category ID and category. We will merge it with the product table. For that, you need to select a product table, click on merge query. Now it will ask you the second table which you want to merge. We will select a category table and we will match the columns. You just need to select it. Now it is a 16 record on the first table. Click it OK. It is added here, the column. If you click it here, this button, it will show all the options that table was contained. We want a category name. Just select the category and click it OK. Now if you can see, the category is extracted as per the category ID. The same, if you can see, the category ID3 contain the name freestyle. Just check it. So as per the category ID number, the category name has been updated in category ID. Now same we will do it using for supplier ID. From supplier tab, we will use a merge query and we will select supplier table and we will select the supplier column, same in supplier column, and click it OK. Now we just want supplier name. We will select OK. The name is been updated here in product table. Now we will close and apply. Now if you can see our product table, it will show you the product ID, product name, retail price, and the category name and supplier name is updated from a category and supplier tab tables. Now let's go again in Power Query, the query. Now we don't want this Power category and this supplier table is load again, because we just need these two table for merge query for our reporting writing. So we just select the table and we will click this enable load. We'll just untick it. Like disable load will remove the table from the report and any visual table that use column will be broken. Just click it, continue. Now same we will do it for supplier table and we will do it for this sales representative we use for append query, and click on apply. Wait for a second. Now if you can see, in our table, it will show only product table, sales product dimension table, sales representative table, and the fact transaction table. Now let's move to the models relationship tab, and we will check the relationships are allotted perfectly. I'm just moving so we can see in one screen. Now what is relationship and what it means and why it is needed? Now if you can see here, if you can click the select on this line, it will show it has one to many relationship. One, it means it has a one, and star means it's a many. The table from one to many relationship means the sales ID is available here, and in product table the product ID is linked here. Now why we need? Because it helps, like for example, if you want to extract data from a sales representative table, like if you want data from a product table in fact table, to you create a measures and to find out to get the retail price, product ID, and category names, that time a relationship will help us to create a faster using the data. If link is not available, we can create link also. We just need to select it and drag it here, so it will create a link. It will click a relationship between the two different tables. Now we have seen append query, merge query. In edit query options, we have used it. We have see the relationship, and if you can see, we using that we have get this table.